Hello, my name is Rita. I'm German, from Germany, living in South Korea. I came to LifeCo 3 years ago, but always a short time, always 1 week. And this is my longest time here. I came for 10 days, and I'm really very blessed, very happy. I came here for lose weight, and it has just amazed me, the food and the service and the nice people. So actually after 10 days I lose 4 kilo, and now I will cook vegan food because we have made cooking classes, and I have many recipes in my luggage, and I will definitely try everything at home, and it's just changed my life. The best thing what I did expected here in LifeCo was I could move my left shoulder for like 6 months, and I came to Master Singh. He's a professionally Thai yoga massage, so kind of, and he fixed it in 2 sessions. So now I can move my arm and the pain is gone. So that was really amazing. Every time when I came, I tried to take one of my friends, convince one of my friends to try detox program or one of the programs here. So this time I took my friend, and I really recommend her, and she also was very pleased with that kind of food, with the vegan food. Thank for all the LifeCo stuff, for everybody, for change my mind, and so I'm looking forward to come home and teach my friends and family. I will definitely make all the cakes, all kind of cakes, at least 5 different cakes, which I learned without sugar, and just very healthy raw food. So yeah, so thanks for everybody here for all the stuff.